Hello YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and today I am showing you a short tutorial on using the Angry Birds 2.0.2-1 editor. If you've seen my other video where I was testing it out, this may be more relevant to you. So, there's a few things you have to do that are different compared to just using the 1.0.0 editor. And so that's why I'm making this video. So some things you're going to need is a copy of OpenSSL, which I will include in the description of this video, the editor zip files, which will also be in the description of this video, and then you have to download Angry Birds version 2.0.0, 2.0.2, or 2.0.2-1, because those are the ones that I've tested so far, and I can assure you it will work on. So to start, we'll open up the editor zip, and this level encrypt.bat, go ahead and copy that and paste it into the bin section of your OpenSSL install, basically the folder that has OpenSSL.exe in it. Just go ahead, paste it right in there, and that's good. Now this options.lua file, you're going to copy that, go to your Angry Birds install, go to data, go to scripts, and paste it in there and overwrite the original options.lua. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to go to Angry Birds and start it up. I'm going to make the screen smaller because I don't want major lag. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the editor, choose the world you want to edit, so we'll just go with number 1, and then we'll edit number 1. Okay, so we picked a level, and we can do what we want to it. So 1 to 2 is for the stone blocks, 3 to 4 the birds, 5 to 6 items, 7 I don't really know what that does. 8 shows hitboxes, so that's something. Q and W is for wood blocks, A and S is for glass blocks, and E and R are for pigs. Sorry, to change the start positions, you basically just right click on them, and you use the keys 1 through 9. And I think if you have more than 10 birds, it will automatically set it for you. So until then, just manually set them. Okay, so now what you want to do once you have your stuff in, you're going to want to click. Alright, let's put them down there first. Okay, so press Control S. Okay, so then that saves it. Now what you're going to do is just exit out of the game now. Go to Data, Levels, and then find the pack 1, because that's the first world. Basically, you go to the pack for the world that you edited. In this case, I went to World 1, so I edit pack 1. Look for temp, and you'll see that the level we edited was level 1. So we'll look for level 1.lua. Now when it saves it, it doesn't save it, but in encrypted format. So we have to do that manually. But you're going to want to open it up in whatever text editor, scroll down to the bottom, and add file name equals, in quotes, what the exact name of the level. So this is a capital L, so you want to be aware of that, level 1.lua. Now, once that's in there, we'll press Control S and we'll save that. Now, this is where we drag this over to our OpenSSL folder. I'll overwrite that because that wasn't part of the tutorial. So now we are in our OpenSSL folder. We just simply drag the LUA file over level encrypt.bat. It does all the work. And we copy the level1.lua.lua output file and paste that back into the pack, and take off the .lua underscore output spot and just leave it so the file extension is .lua. And when we open it, it's encrypted like it should be. Now, we just go back to Angry Birds. It loads just fine. And now let's go wreck this boy. There. The level is completely destroyed. So yeah, that's all you have to do to get custom levels in Angry Birds version 2.0.0 plus. And max would be 2.0.2-1. And if you do find another version of Angry Birds that this works on, by all means, feel free to tell others about this. And thanks for watching, and I hope I made level editing for you just a bit easier. Bye bye.